Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Girard, and today I will be reading Poetry and Prose from Danny Martin Girard. He's the author of the Poetic Cues trilogy. You can find his work at DannyGS.fortoday.com or Mystical Minds YouTube channel and podcast, co-owned with myself, Jamie Girard. Paint a masterpiece. Don't expect the rain to never fall or the storm to never pass through. See yourself as a victor and overcomer, destined to be, as you paint your masterpiece in the midst of the storm. Allow your gifts to shine brightly as you accept the seasons, embrace life, and make memories. Expect yourself to break free. Claim it yours until you hold it in the palm of your hands. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was amazing. And now, I'd like to take a moment with you for gratitude. So if you're able, please close your eyes and think of 3 things you're grateful for from yesterday. I am grateful for a package arriving early. I'm grateful for a new part. And I'm grateful for a thing my wife did. What are you grateful for? Now, take a deep breath in and let it out. With love, thank you so much for listening and have a beautiful day.